Hi guys, Marty Davis, MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. I'm on a brand new arrival, 250 Harris Solstice. It's got the single lounger, dual helm floor plan, chestnut interior, JL stereo upgrade. Does have the subwoofer. At the helm, we've got the new Mercury shifter, the 9-inch Simrad screen, Bluetooth JL head unit. Really like to point out the leg room on our new helms from Harris. They did a great job. The rear of the boat, got the 300 horsepower Mercury motor. If you have any questions, give us a call at MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. Thank you.